Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to qualify for income-based apartments. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. Income-based apartments are meant to provide affordable housing to people with low incomes. These are managed by private individuals thanks to the subsidies provided by the local and federal governments. But who qualifies for subsidized housing in the U.S.? Income-based housing should cater to the elderly, developmentally delayed individuals, and low-income families. What are the eligibility requirements to qualify for an income-based apartment? Your household should have a total household income that's less than 50% of the area's median income. This often varies with the size of the household. You've been a legal citizen of the U.S. There is no discrimination based on origin, nationality, race, color, sex, disability, and family status. You should provide proof of employment status, and that's how you can qualify for income-based apartments. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Until next time.